Alright, what's up guys? So today's daily combo, sorry it's coming late. So all you need to do is to go into your PixelTap, click on fight, and then from here you could see that we have something to claim. Go ahead and claim it. And before you make sure you do your daily combo, make sure you upgrade some of your robots. I've upgraded mine, but I'll just have to upgrade just one for the sake of this video. It's going to cost me 2 million coins. Let's upgrade it. And from here, if I click on got it and then go back to the earning section, you could see that my income is increased. That is just the aim, to increase the income, and then go back to rewards. So from here right now, click on claim. This is the daily reward, and then go to the daily combo, click on play. So for this daily combo, we'll be earning a sum of 12 million. So let's go ahead and just fill this up. So the first one will be this, and the next one will be this one, followed by this, and then finally this one. Let's go ahead and just check this out right now. So upon checking, you could see we have 12 million of this stuff. Go ahead and just claim it, and that's all. See you guys tomorrow on the next one. Peace out.